Ciao, pasta lovers! Ready for an Italian night at home? Today, we're making a classic dish that's as easy as it is delicious, pasta carbonara. With just a few simple ingredients, you can whip up this creamy, savory pasta in no time. Whether you're cooking for a cozy dinner for two or feeding the whole familia, carbonara is always a crowd pleaser. So, grab your apron and let's get cooking. Pasta carbonara hails from Rome, Italy, and has a bit of a mysterious history. Some say it was invented by coal miners, hence the name carbonara, which comes from carbone, meaning coal in Italian. Others believe it was created during World War II when American soldiers in Italy combined their rations of eggs and bacon with pasta. No matter its origin, carbonara has become a staple in Italian cuisine, beloved for its rich, comforting flavors. Now, let's talk ingredients. The beauty of carbonara is in its simplicity. All you need is pasta, usually spaghetti or rigatoni, eggs, pecorino Romano cheese, guanciale, which is cured pork cheek, but you can also use pancetta or bacon, and a little bit of black pepper. While the classic carbonara is perfect as it is, there are a few variations you might want to try. Some people like to add a bit of garlic or onion for extra flavor, though purists might raise an eyebrow at that. For a richer taste, try adding a little Parmesan cheese along with the pecorino. And if you're feeling adventurous, try carbonara with different types of pasta. Rigatoni, fettuccine, or even gnocchi work beautifully. If you're ever in Rome, you can't miss out on trying authentic carbonara at Roscioli, where they serve one of the best versions in the city. Trattoria da Enzo is another must-visit spot, offering a traditional, no-frills carbonara that will transport your taste buds straight to Italy. And if you're in the U.S., Carboni in New York City is known for its luxurious take on this classic dish. And there you have it, the secret to making a classic Italian pasta carbonara with just a few simple ingredients. It's a dish that's all about letting those ingredients shine, so don't be afraid to keep it simple. Perfect for any occasion, carbonara is sure to impress your dinner guests and make your Italian night a delicious success. But before that, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Buon appetito!